Today our topic is how to implement Regula Falsi method using C. Before learning this video, please learn previous part of this video where we already discussed about one mathematical problem on Regula Falsi method for finding root of a polynomial. And today we will learn how to implement Regula Falsi method by C programming. In our previous video, we already discussed about this problem. Find the real root of this equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equals to 0 by Regula Falsi method correct up to 4 decimal places. And after calculation, we get that the root lies between 2.7 to 2.8, choosing x0 as 2.7 and x1 as 2.8. We start drawing this table. If you are facing any problem, please consult our previous video. In this table, there are 6 columns. First, xn minus 1, it is 2.7, xn, it is 2.8. You have to calculate fxn minus 1, you have to calculate fxn, you have to calculate xn plus 1 by this formula and then calculate fxn plus 1. And if the value of fxn plus 1 is negative, then you have to change the value of xn minus 1 in the next step. And if the value is positive, you have to change the value of xn. In this way, you have to continue. You have to continue till you get the root, that is the approximate root that is correct up to 4 decimal places. Now, the code. In this code, there is one function f. The return type of this function is float and argument is also float. What is the body of the function? Body of the function is our equation x cube minus 4x minus 9. Now see, if you get another problem, then you have to write that equation here. Now void main. In void main, I declare some float variable. There is one special variable e. I initialize value of e as 0.00005, that is almost equals to 0. Now take the value of a and b. What is the value of a? It is 2.7. What is the value of b? It is 2.8. Now we have to calculate this value and this value. How we can calculate? First call the function f by passing the value a. Call this function f by passing the value a. Then I get this value minus 0.1170 and call the function f by passing the value b and I get this value 1.752. In this way, I get these two values. Now I start one do while loop. What I have to do? I have to calculate xn plus 1. How I can calculate? By this formula. So what is this formula? It is xn minus 1 fxn, that is a into f2, minus xn fxn minus 1, that is b into f1, divided by fxn minus 1, that is f2 minus f1. Now after getting this value, what I have to do? I have to calculate fxn plus 1. How I can calculate? Call the function f by passing the value x. So call this function f by passing the value x and I get the value f3. Now I have to check the sign of f3. If it is negative, then I have to change the value of a. And if it is positive, I have to change the value of b. So if f3 less than 0, a equals to x, otherwise b equals to x. In this way, I have to continue this loop till the absolute value of fa minus fb greater than e. Now you have to print the root, that is x. Now it's time to run our program. So supply the value of a and b. It is 2.7 and 2.8 and you get the value of our root. So the output of Regula Falsi method is this. Now your task is to write a C program to implement Regula Falsi method. And if you are facing any problem, please comment me in the comment section. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.